Now that we have our basic structure that's pretty much replicable across the weeks, right? We scheduled our first week. Now let's give each day a theme so that
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
we know what to do that day. For example, here we're going to want to maybe sell, because for most businesses, you want to get ahead of all the other competitive businesses who are going to sell that week. So you want to sell on Monday, maybe you make a salesy post. It's very common on the weekend, let's say on the 6th, right? So on the 6th, you would do something like, say, it's a personal post. Okay, so each day is going to have a theme. On Tuesday, maybe you'll add some industry research or news like that. On the 3rd, you're building super fans. So it will be something like this. And you're really focusing on customer support and you're answering questions. You might add like AMA, ask me anything. So you can do a lot of stuff just to engage current followers and interact with them. So this is more about interaction. On Friday, a lot of people like to do Friday wins and maybe have your social followers say what they got done this week. And maybe on Monday, if you don't want to sell each week here, because it's the first of the month, maybe you can make Monday goals for the week, goals for the month. But then here you want to sell. And then again on the 15th, maybe like that. So now you have themes. Then sometimes people do Wednesday can be like hump day, which means people are having a hard time usually getting through the week. So maybe they need a little humor. That may be also good, but maybe if you, in this particular case, because Wednesday is all about building superfans, the 4th might be just that, humor. You don't have to make your own funny things. You can just find funny memes online and repost it. There's a ton of that going around. Then maybe you want to post more educational things. So for example, this Tuesday on the 9th, you might do your educational video or blog post. See that? And you might even want to do this more often because you want to have a little more substance, unless you're an entertainment entity. But if you're a regular business, maybe you want to educate people a little bit more. So maybe on the 16th, you also want to do that. And then on the 23rd, you maybe have a choice, your own educational post or some industry news post. So if you find something that you find compelling going on in your industry, some news, some research that you come across throughout the month, you can post it. If not, that's a good opportunity to promote more of your content. Now, you do want to use social media to promote a lot of your content. And of course, the Wednesday, that's actually what you're doing anyway, right? Because you're going to be posting your links during the live sessions. And half of Tuesdays, essentially, you're posting that as well. And of course, on Mondays, you're mostly selling your things instead of the Monday goals. So Friday, you don't have to sell as much because you've been selling all week. Friday is make people feel good about themselves, about their work. Friday wins. You can conversely do Sunday, if maybe Saturday will be a personal post. You can make the Saturday personal post, but Sunday goals for next week, just like that. So that in case you want to sell on Monday, you don't have to have that interfere with your sales posts, because the goals, which is what you're doing on the 1st, the goals will actually be something you create on Sundays, which is actually really good because then people have a plan for their week, and it's actually a very productive sort of thing. So again, Thursday, now you have options, and it wouldn't be a bad idea to just make Thursday and Friday just social posts, or you can skip posts. These are days that have generally less web activity. If you compare them to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, these days usually have the most web activity in most industries. Some industries, the activity is on the weekends. Some industries are seasonal. But in general, most activity for promoting things is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Friday and Saturday and Sunday are like, you don't want to promote too much because there's less people online anyway. And then on Thursday, it's kind of like a free-for-all day. You can do whatever you like. If you want to promote more content, do that. Promote a video, do that. If you want to take a day off and actually focus more on your work, that's a good day to do that, because you don't want to be on Friday like, I didn't get a whole lot done for myself this week. So maybe Thursday is a good day, just hunker down and work. That may be a good day to skip a post because you've been selling pretty hard on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So that's how I structure the social media calendar. Nothing's written in stone. If you're behind on higher priority work, you can skip this. Just don't skip it too much because then it just becomes entirely skipping and it defeats the entire point of this. So that's how you can give themes to your days so that when you wake up and you're thinking, what should I post? You don't have to think about that because you know exactly. Monday you're selling, Tuesday is industry news or education, Wednesday is live. So there's no second guessing. So the point of this calendar is that you know exactly what to do when, and over time you become extremely good at it, and it takes almost no time, and it helps you grow your business.